Well, just days after the US said we won the world on the American AI stack, China has responded. And it's not just a plan, it's actually a proposal to unite the world around its vision for AI. From Washington's AI export push to Beijing's call for open cooperation, the lines have never been clearer. This is a global AI power play. Let's go ahead and break it down. At the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, Chinese Premier Li Qiang unveiled China's global AI action plan. The headline? Well, we must not let AI become the exclusive game of a few countries or companies. Translation to that: the US can't gatekeep AI forever, and China is here to offer an alternative. China now wants to launch an international AI cooperation organization, a kind of AI United Nations, if you will, with its headquarters in Shanghai. China's vision is aimed squarely at the global south. Premier Li said, "We are ready to share our tech and experience, especially with developing nations." It's actually quite a smart play if you think about it. While the US wants to export AI tools to allies, China is offering access, inclusion, and co-creation. And not just words. China invited 30 plus countries, including Russia, South Africa, Germany, Qatar, and South Korea, to the roundtable. Even Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, and Schmidt showed up. But let's not make any mistakes. These aren't just policy moves. This is a geopolitical stack war. As one analyst put it, the two camps are now being formed. The US camp, well, export restrictions, chip bans, national labs, open source push, but on their terms. The China camp, on the other hand, multilateral, open source friendly, but tightly controlled and domestically self-reliant. It's actually control versus coordination, dominance versus diplomacy. But both want the same thing: to lead the future of intelligence. So here's what Beijing is offering: a global AI governance framework with broad consensus, cross-border open source communities, commitments to reduce chip bottlenecks and ease talent exchange. Support local LLMs, 40 plus Chinese large language models, and 60 plus humanoid robots showcased at WAIC. And unlike the US stack focused on infrastructure and enterprise, China's model is platformed on inclusion, exhibition, and exportable AI experiences. The global AI war is pretty much no longer theoretical. It's happening on stages, in Senate hearings, and at Shanghai expos. So let's take a look at the scoreboard. US wants to dominate every layer, from chips to ChatGPT. China wants to coordinate, co-develop, and control narrative via soft power. India, on the other hand, is building a sovereign stack, from its own GPUs to homegrown LLMs like Sarvam, Krutrim, Zoho, and others. And the rest of the world, well, they are being asked to pick a side or find a third way. This isn't just an AI race anymore. It's actually a battle of values, infrastructure, and influence. So the question is, will countries trust Silicon Valley's closed systems? Will they align with Beijing's open for some promise? Or will nations like India chart their own sovereign path? Whatever the outcome, one thing is crystal clear: the future of AI won't just be built by coders. It'll actually be shaped by diplomats, deals, and data borders. So let us know what you think in the comments below. This is Front Page by AIM TV. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.